हमारे प्रिय मित्र जयराम किशन सिंह के जन्म दिवस के अवसर पर हमारा तहे दिल से नमन। जन्म से ही कुछ महानायक, कुछ व्यक्तित्व दृढ़ता कौशल के साथ ऊंची चोटियों पर चढ़ते हैं। जयराम किशन सिंह आम आदमी से ऊंची चोटियों पर चढ़ने वाले महापुरुष के मित्र हैं। उन्हें जो चीज़ें पसंद हैं वो हैं विनय, नम्रता, हमेशा सबके लिए प्यार की भावना। वो एक अच्छे इंसान हैं जो अपने परिवार की जिम्मेदारियों को अच्छी तरह से आत्म प्रयास के साथ निभाते हैं। क्या वो विद्यायोद्धा स्कूल या इंटर, नागार्जुन जूनियर कॉलेज या न्यू साइंस कॉलेज से हैं, जहां उसने 10वीं कक्षा तक पीजी से उस्मानिया विश्वविद्यालय की पढ़ाई की है। क्या उन्हें उनकी वजह से विनय मिला या क्या वो वान को उनके पास लाया? किशन सिंह अपने नाम की तरह कुछ नया करने के लिए, हजारों व्यवसायों को प्रेरित करने के लिए और अपने भविष्य को उज्जवल रूप से आगे बढ़ाने के लिए एक ऐसे मित्र को जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, जो अपने व्यवहार को 10 का पथ प्रदर्शक बनाकर और अच्छे व्यवहार से आज के समाज के पक्ष में सिद्ध कर सबके मन में प्रिय बन गया है। उनका शासन अभी भी जारी है। जूट का अंग्रेजी स्कूल और 1994 से 1998 तक एक संवाददाता के रूप में शेरमल जैन मेमोरियल स्कूल चलाते रहे थे। वर्तमान में कोहिनूर सिटी LLP, ग्रीन ब्लॉक्स इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, ट्रू सिटी प्रोजेक्ट LLP, होम ब्लॉक्स इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, कोहिनूर ग्रैंड LLP, कोहिनूर हेरिटेज LLP एक निदेशक और कंपनियों में भागीदार के रूप में हमारे दोस्त राम किशन सिंह को जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं, जो पानी चेस्तु को और अधिक उज्जवल बनाने के लिए अथक प्रयास कर रहे हैं। क्षत्रिय समाज हैदराबाद की आन बान शान और क्षत्रिय समाज के लिए हमेशा तन मन धन से समर्पित रहने वाले प्रिय मित्र सखा जयराम किशन का आज 50वें अवतरण दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई, हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हम प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आप हमेशा उन्नति के पथ पर निरंतर आगे बढ़ते रहें। भगवान श्री राम से प्रार्थना है कि आप हमेशा हंसते मुस्कुराते रहें, दीर्घायु रहें। भगवान भोलेनाथ आपको हमेशा प्रसन्न रखे, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है भगवान श्री कृष्ण से। जय श्री राधे।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wishing a great 50th birthday to our dear Kishan.
We really feel proud to be called one of your friends. You are the most selfless person, also a true gentleman.
You are the awesome entertainer, Kishan. Let's rock the party!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Kishan bhai, many happy returns of the day. All the very best.
Hi Kishan, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Mama, wish you a very happy birthday, happy 50th.
Happy birthday to you uncle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday mama. Happy birthday mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Johnny Singh. Happy birthday for the first 50. Wishing you lots and lots of happiness, love, peace and excitement for the next 50. God bless you, my dear. Take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Dear Krishnana, I wish you a golden jubilee birthday. Wish you a wonderful and joyful birthday celebrations. You are my favorite and you are most inspired for me in your lifestyle, for your lifestyle and your thought process, everything. I wish you a wonderful and happy life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Jaya, wish you happy 50th. Wishing you many more. Still cherish those late night fun we had at Safil Guda days. I think we need to celebrate this occasion when we meet next time with a drink. Happy birthday once again, Jay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Anu, Akka, Jairam, Akka, Kishan. Hope you're doing good. I'm making this video for your 50th birthday. And Jude, I know you very well since from grade 1 from Vijayodaya High School days. And we always have a lot of memories from the school days. And I can clearly say at this point that whatever the memories during the decade of the school days are very pure and unconditional. And they'll be for the lifelong. We have a lot of memories to share. If I remember, we had memories. We played gully cricket and we played goalies and also, climbing trees. And you broke your hand, and that was a serious issue in the family. We have a lot of memories. And moving forward, we did a combined studies for CAT. I know there are a lot of failures, and also we have success, and that I feel that defines the life. Apart from that, we know each other. Our families know each other. I know your parents and brothers, and you and my mom, especially my mom as well, connected with you. And I could say, I might have told you that for any password recovery, there's a question: who is your childhood friend? And I can imagine what would be the answer. Apart from that, the other thing we shared when you came to the US, we have a lot of fun during the East Coast trip as well as during the Las Vegas trip. That was memorable. And I would say wish you a happy 50th birthday and a happy rest of your life. And I will talk to you on phone on October 2nd. Ciao.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Jairam, wish you a very happy 50th birthday and many more to come. Hope you have a great blast. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Jairam, happy 50th birthday. I have known you from last 30 years and you have been always been happy and cheerful. And be this way always and have a blast.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
किशन भाई नमस्कार। किशन भाई जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। किशन भाई आप हमारे लड़वे राना है, राजपुताना के शान आन बान भाई। once again many returns of the day. All the best for your future bhai. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Kishan bhai. You are one of the person who always I admire. You have a great heart and soul. Wish you all the best for a great, happy, successful and blessed life ahead. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, birthday boy. Happy birthday, Kishan bro. Can't believe that it's your 50th birthday because you always look younger. You're always bubbly. You are always enthusiastic. So on this great occasion, I wish you a great success, happiness, joy and freedom. So keep rocking.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, Kishan.
Have a nice day. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Jairam, many happy returns of today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th birthday Kishan. Stay happy as always. All the best.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Jairam, I wish you a very happy birthday. Mark your golden jubilee celebration with success and glory. Have a blast. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Jairam buddy, happy 50th birthday man, Janmadin Shubhakankshalu. I wish you all the best. Obviously we go a long way back. My earliest memories with you are when I used to ride a bike. తర్వాత అక్కడ బ్లూ మూన్ హోటల్ దగ్గర మీ ఇల్లు ఉండేది. I used to come there often, spend a lot of time with you and Sham. Also I remember I probably visited all of your homes, childhood homes. Those are my earliest memories of you man, and then I'm really proud of all your accomplishments over the years, and I really wish you all the best, all the best in your life. And I know you're having a grand party, so enjoy with all of your friends, all of our friends actually, and I will see you soon. Last week October lo vastunanu, so we will do another celebration, double celebration, and I am really looking forward to that. So I will talk to you soon man, and I will leave you with a couple of pictures actually that we took when you were in the US and during my last trip to India. Just give me a second, I will flash those pictures. The first picture man, when you came to visit us at our home. Looking forward to another visit from you soon to US. And this is the other picture dude where we all met, and I'm sure we'll meet again end of October in addition to all the celebrations you guys are having. Have fun. I'll see you soon. Lot of love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday boy Kishan, many happy returns of the day. You have a blessed day and a great year ahead. May God bless you with everything that is good for you. Cherish every second of this special day. May your birthday be as amazing as you are. Cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, dear Jairam. Have a great year ahead. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th birthday Jairam. Wish I was there celebrating this occasion with you. Wishing you 50 more years of health, wealth and happiness. Cheers to 1971. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Anna.
Happy birthday. Darling, happy birthday. Happy birthday Kishan Anna. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Dear Kishan, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
బర్త్డే జరుపుకుంటున్న కిషన్ సార్కి మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే అండి. మీరు ఇలాగే నిండు నూరేళ్ళు ఆయుర ఆరోగ్యాలతో ఉండాలని భగవంతుని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మీతో మేము స్పెండ్ చేసిన టైం చాలా అద్భుతం మాకు. మీతో మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు ఒక కొత్త ఫీలింగ్ అనిపిస్తుంది. మీ మంచితనం ముందు మాకు అన్నీ కూడా ప్లెజర్నెస్ అనేది మాకు కలుగుతుంది. మీరు ఇలాగే నిండు నూరేళ్ళు ఆయుర ఆరోగ్యంతో ఉండి ఇలాంటి ఈవెంట్స్ మీరు ఎన్నో జరుపుకోవాలి, ఇలాంటి బర్త్డేలు ఎన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. మీరు ఇలాగే నిండు నూరేళ్ళు ఆయుర ఆరోగ్యంతో ఉండాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Kishan sir, wish you happy birthday. So I wish you all the best and have a peaceful, joyful life ahead. So I'm very happy to have you in my life. You are one of the amazing person I met. Once again, happy birthday on the occasion of your 50th. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I know about the emeralds. It was very nice. అందరము కలిసి మీకు విజ్ చేయడము. Wish you happy 50th birthday. We really enjoyed all these years and looking forward for more. Thank you.
Hi, Anu. Yeah, it's a very good. Narayana arranged this Zoom call. It's very nice. Yeah, you are very helpful, both within your friend circle as well as for your family. Wish you continue all the good work and wishing a happy 50th birthday. Bye.
Come on. Yeah. Hi, Jairam. Wish you a happy 50th birthday. As you are always, you are the one who is always cheerful and happy, and you never care about money. Be this way, like you never care about anything. Yeah, be this way. Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anna.
Happy birthday. Darling, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kishan Anna. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. 50 సంవత్సరాల జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. కిషన్ సార్.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
A star in his own right makes everyone's life bright. His charity knows no bounds and benevolence is sound. His demeanor is cheerful. He is always affable. His workmanship is unique, as perfect as it gets. His flair for marketing finds what he is seeking. To say it in the affirmative, his brand is collaborative. If you still can't figure out who I am speaking about, it's my childhood friend, the one and only Jairam Kishan Singh. Hey Kishan, wish you a fun-filled, fabulous 50th birthday. God bless you and your family.